In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to access YouTube TV free trial for NBA Finals. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the official website of YouTube TV. Type in tv.youtube.com. Once you're in the official website, you're gonna find the option of try it for $0. Click on that. Now you'll be prompted to log in, provide your credentials. After logging in, YouTube TV will ask for your home area or zip code to confirm the local channels available in your region. This is important because NBA final games are usually broadcast on channels like ABC. Next, choose your base plan and continue to the payment setup page. Even though it's a free trial, YouTube TV still requires a valid payment method. So enter your debit card, credit card or PayPal information before confirming. Make sure the free trial offer is still active because trial lengths can vary depending on promotions and your account history. Once everything looks good, click Start Free Trial or Purchase Membership and your free trial is activated. You'll instantly get access to live TV channels and sports coverage. Now open the search bar inside YouTube TV, then search for NBA Finals or ABC or the teams playing in the finals. Select the live game and press Watch Live to start streaming. You can also press the plus icon to add the NBA Finals to your library so games are automatically recorded for later viewing. If you're watching on a smart TV, simply install the YouTube TV app, sign in with the same Google account and follow the same steps to stream the finals on the big screen. Just remember to cancel the trial before the billing date if you don't want to be charged after the free trial ends. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.